Everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how to get new hairs on Roblox. So first of all, uh, you have to go to in marketplace, and now you have to go to recently created. So when you click on recently created, your the new item will be listed here. Just need to scroll down, and you will see these hairs, long baby dolls. So these are the new hairs, guys, that has been released by Roblox developer. You can try each one of them one by one. Let's do that. Let's try each one of them. The first one look like this, and you can get this hair for 50 Robux. The second hairs is with lighter color, and the third one is just try this one. It also looks cool, guys. And so let me know in the comment section which one do you like the most, and I can give you the link of all the hairs in the description. You can purchase them, and all are off of 55 to 50 Robux, so you can get it for this amount. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And these are the latest ones, so you can try out. Yeah, I forgot to show you this one. So this one is my favorite. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching.